Adly Mansour is an Egyptian judge and statesman who is the president of the Supreme Constitutional Court of Egypt. He also served as the acting president of Egypt from the 4th of July 2013 to the 8th of June 2014 following the 2013 Egyptian coup d'état by the military which deposed President Mohamed Morsi. Several secular and religious figures, such as the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar, the Coptic Pope, and Mohammed el-Baradei, supported the coup against President Morsi, and the military appointed Mansour interim president until an election could take place. Morsi refused to acknowledge his removal as valid and continued to maintain that only he could be considered the legitimate president of Egypt. Mansour was sworn into office in front of the Supreme Constitutional Court on 4 July 2013. Early life and education. Mansour was born in Cairo. He graduated from Cairo University Law School in 1967, earned a postgraduate degree in law in 1969, studied economics and earned a postgraduate degree in management science from Cairo University in 1970. He later attended France's École Nationale d'Administration and graduated in 1977. Mansour spent 6 years in Saudi Arabia in the 1980s, working as an advisor to the Saudi Ministry of Commerce. He is married and has a son and 2 daughters. Term on Supreme Constitutional Court. Mansour was appointed to the Supreme Constitutional Court in 1992. He later served as Vice President of the Supreme Constitutional Court of Egypt until 1 July 2013, when he became President of the SCC following his appointment to the position by President Morsi on 19 May. Mansour did not have the opportunity to swear the oath as President of the SCC until 4 July 2013, right before he swore the presidential oath. Interim President of Egypt. On 3 July 2013, Mansour was named interim President of Egypt following the ousting of Mohamed Morsi in the 2013 Egyptian coup d'état subsequent to the 2012-13 Egyptian protests. His appointment was announced on television by the Minister of Defense Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Earlier, there was brief confusion as to who exactly was appointed interim president, with some sources suggesting it was the former president of the Supreme Constitutional Court, Mar el-Bahari. Mansour was sworn in on 4 July 2013. He briefly restored the position of the vice president, which was abolished with the adoption of the current constitution on 26 December 2012, and nominated opposition leader Mohammed el-Baradei to the post in an acting capacity on 7 July 2013. On 8 July, Mansour issued a decree that proposed the introduction of amendments to the suspended constitution and a referendum to endorse them, followed by national elections. On 9 July, Mansour appointed the economist Hazem el-Biblawi as acting prime minister. Mansour made his first trip abroad as interim president on 8 October 2013, to Saudi Arabia, a key backer of the ousting of Morsi. On 19 September 2013, Mansour announced that he won't run for the presidency, saying that he will return to his position as the head of the Constitutional Court.